Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I did this look, which I have no idea what to call. All I know is I used the JACLYN Hill palette to achieve it. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to achieve this look using the JACLYN Hill palette, then please keep watching. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown for my brows. Now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Concealer and I'm going to line underneath my brows. I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm going to put it all up in my crease, and I'm just going to blend it out a lot. Now I'm just going to take this, it's like a burnt orange shade, I'm going to put this deeper in my crease. Now I'm going to use this red shade and I'm going to put this in my crease, but I'm going to do it closer to my lid. I'm going to take this deep berry red here and I'm going to put it like on the inner and outer corners of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this red color and I'm going to blend that berry out a little bit. Now I'm going to take this berry color and I'm going to blend it in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this color. It's kind of like a dark purple brown. I'm going to go in and put this on my inner and outer lid. So now that that shade is all blended, I'm going to go in and cut my crease. Now I'm just going in and setting this concealer with some powder. Now I'm going to go back in and use this deep berry red and I'm going to put that on the outsides of the cut crease. Now I'm going to use some of this dark brown purple and I'm going to put that just like on the side of where I just put that color. Now I'm going to use this shade and I'm going to put it on the other side of that purple. So like right next to this concealer. Now I'm going to go in and use this shade right here. It's like a sparkly gold. I'm going to go in and put this where the concealer is. Now for the last part of my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal. Well, it's like a glitter pen. I don't know what the name is of it because I can't see it, but it is a glitter pen and it's in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Now I'm just gonna put some glue on my lashes and then I'm just gonna clean this shit up real quick. I just put my lashes on. While they dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup. I already primed my face using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter Primer. For my foundation, I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Double Wear. To blend this all out, I'm gonna use the Morphe MB6 foundation brush. This is my fucking jam. To highlight my face, I'm going to mix the Fenty Beauty Concealer and the Morphe Concealer. So now that I look as pale as a ghost, I'm going to go in and cream contour using the Tartist Pro Glow palette. Now I'm going to go in and bake. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. And I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder for the rest of my face. So while my face is baking, I'm going to go in and do my contour. I'm going to use the powder shade that was in this palette. Now I'm going to go in and fix my brows because they are disgusting. They have powder all over them. And then I'm going to put some mascara on and I'm just going to do a thin line of eyeliner on the lash line. To make my eyebrows less powdery, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo. This is in the shade Ebony. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lash line. I'm going to start with this orange shade that we used in the beginning. Now I'm going to go in and add this orange shade that we used, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corners and I'm going to leave the middle spot empty. Now I'm going to go in and add this berry color close to my lash line with this angled brush. The last step for the under eye is to add some glitter. I'm going to put this on the center. Now I'm going to add this brown eyeliner to my waterline. It's from the Sephora brand. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. I'm going to use the MAC lip liner in the shade Strip Down. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. So this lip is a little bit too light for me. I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Iced Latte Lip Liner and I'm just going to line my lips with this. Now it's time for the most important part, which is highlighting. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter and it's the Hustler Baby and Mean Money duo. I'm going to use Hustler Baby. I am obsessed with how this turned out. It just looks amazing. The key thing was really the glitter, I think. The glitter really did the damn thing. So this is all for today's makeup look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.